Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us here an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Eze-Ana. I'm an ancient high priest. Lokazi onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lokazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
You're welcome once again. In today's program, we'll be discussing social values, cultural shifts, health, and family life. Let's proceed. The first question. In recent times, many people on social media claims to be called or spiritually chosen. From your observation, do you feel this trend is becoming excessive?
Yeah, thank you for that question. The truth of the matter is that no amount of called ones will be too much because now Ubo Buribo Manando Kadionemone. I can tell you without missing words that we have not even gotten 1/10 of Ndole Nidiri. Noga. Yes. Any multitude of called ones to be able to fill the vacuum created by failed Christians and other denomination leaders. So, if we have pastors, thousands of them, then as we are propagating Igbo spirituality, we need also thousands to cover the vacuum created by a lot of awakening that is taking on now. So the problem we have is those people coming in, let them be trained so that they will be professional in what they do. But whether they are much in number, I don't think so. Yes, they are not much. The only thing is that most of them are I'm advocating for them to pass through training so that some of those excesses and the misbehavior we normally see among some of them is not necessary. But because most of them are not, didn't pass through or serve with the mentorship for them to know the do's and don'ts. Some of them started their calling thinking that they don't need to be trained. And therefore, some of them are doing the way they wanted. Some of them are carrying those iniquity lifestyle. Yes, and taking them, crossing them over to Igbo spirituality, which is totally wrong. You see somebody that is a lesbian, somebody is homo, somebody that is into living a careless lifestyle, dancing in a club. So when he now is called of a thing, they began to disturb the person. The person will carry those negative lifestyle into spirituality, thinking that it doesn't matter. That I had one of them saying the other day that spiritual gift has nothing to do with personal lifestyle. Can you imagine? Can you beat that? So, people that are looking up to you. Yes. If you don't mind the deprive yourself, so when you are having agwo issue, you need to attend to your agwo. But you are not properly mentored into nsogbu. If you before you know it, that you are calling, give to equally well that give to by then if they will all desert you because you did a man. Before you know it, there's a chosium or way water. Key because it is empty. Or before you know it, somebody will start begin to advertise you or telling you that no more to go back in a pastors and what he has moto nyod na Igbo na so ji ba otu eme. Yes, but I hear battery whereby body in a church protection, which he will not even see there. Na church connection connection mmadụ while ọ bụrụ na ịsọ n'nsọ mmụọ ga-enye connection gwa gị ihe ị ga-eme n'oge ị ga-eji mee ihe ndị a. Daalụ.
When someone says they are called, does it automatically means they must practice as a dibia or traditional spiritual healer?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Not everybody that is called are supposed to be the head. I remember when those days when we are in charismatic and Bible society. Those days we are into passing through training of the theological training. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile ga-abụ onye isi nchụaja, the arrowhead. Even n'okwu mmụọ dị iche iche a na-enwe onye aka ji ọfọ, nwee onye oso, nwee onye ụkọ. Aka ji ọfọ ga-anụ ya, onye na-eso ya bụ onye oso, that is the person looking up to him to learn. A na-akpọ ya onye oso, that is the second in command. Then onye ụkọ bụ nwa oje ozi. Nke ọ dị okwu arụsị ọbụla dị n'ala Igbo nwere etu a ka ọ dị. Na my own clan, arụsị dị na be ya na-akpọ ụlas. Ọ bụrụ na m bụrụ the oldest man in my clan, I will be the chief priest there. If we go to the chief priest there, the second person in rank na-eso gị na old age ga-abụ onye oso. That is ọ ga na ebe a na-amụ the do's and don'ts. So that achọ gị nwa bụ onye aka ji ọfọ eze mmụọ achọ ya wee nwee ike fit in. Then the third in command ka a na-akpọ onye ụkọ. Onye ụkọ bụ nya ka ọ dịrị isu nzu, iweta nke a, iweta nke a, ịnabata ndị bịara, iweta ọjị, iweta nkwụ ọkụ, ịhazi ihe niile before onye nchụaja abịa. Ntị ọ dị etu a ka ọ dị n'ihe gbasara ọrụ mmụọ. Ịbịakwa na Catholic, ka nwere Catholic maalụ ga-atụ, enwere fada, enwere seminarian ma ọ bụ deacon, enwere ndị masaba, enwere ndị church warden, enwere ndị ọzọ gasị ma ndị steward ma ndị a niile bụ ndị na-eso fada achụ aja. Ị nwere idea ha niile nọ within the arena of the altar. Let me tell you what you don't know. Ọ bụrụ na akpọrọ gị ọrụ, ọ bụrụ iwu na ị ga-abụ the head, nwere ike ịbụ the tail, mana ofu ala ajikụrụ na-achọrọ anụ. Elọta m mgbe anyị na-ebido ọfụ agba ọgụ ọrụ, ọ bụrụ iwu na ị ya pastọ, mana ị nwere ike iso na prayer warrior. Ịfụ na ị na-arụ ọrụ prayer warrior agha ọfụma, si na-arụ ọrụ kwesịrị ịrụ na-atọ ndị mmadụ na-agbụ dịka prayer warrior. Ịfụ na agwụ gị ga-akwụsị inye gị nsogbu. Etu a ka ọ dị, o nwere onye nwere ọgbụ oku, ọ bụrụ fada mana ọ bụ an altar boy ma ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ reader. For the fact na onye a na-arụ ọrụ within the proximity of that altar, ịfụ na agwụ na-enye ya nsogbu ga-agbatu maka na ọ nọ within the proximity of grace. Etu a ka ọ dịkwa n'ebe a na-arụ ọrụ mmụọ. O nwere onye bụ aka ji ọfọ that temple, mana e nwere ndị ọzọ nọzi na onye nke a nwere ike na ọ na-admin, onye nke a nọrọ na kwaya, onye nke a nọ na prayer ministry, onye a nọrọ n'aka ndị sia, ma onye nke a nọ n'aka ndị a ma ọ n'aka ndị a. Ofu ala aji akụ niile na-achọ, ahụ niile na-arụ ọrụ for the good of that proximity altar. Ịghọtara ya? So ị na-arụ ọrụ, mana ihe mere na ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ amụrụziri aka ndị ha n'aka ebe. O nwere onye ọnwụ n'ebe a na-esi ọgwụ, o nwere onye ọ bụ ọrụ ije na-akpata mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa ahịa na-esi ọgwụ, nwa onye ọ bụ ọrụ ya ị na-enye ndị mmadụ, nwa onye ọ bụ ọrụ ya ịnabata ndị mmadụ gbanye ha kaadị. Ha niile na-arụ ọrụ within the same proximity. And I can tell you, n'ije ozi anyị na-eje, were obi niile na-eje ozi anyị na-eje, ịfụnanya bụ agwụ a na-eristọpụ ga-agbatu, because n'ịka ije ozi a itinyelu agwụ gị n'ije ozi a. So ebe ọ bụla ị nọ wee na-enye aka abụọ ya, mana ụfọdụ aghọtara na akpọrọ ha ka ha bụrụ the lead. And onye agbata ọtụtụ n'ime ndị na-akwụgharị sekịta, o nwere ike omego onwe the lead, o ruo ebe ahụ ọ ma agaziri, before you know it ọ dị tired, before you know it ọ na-ajụzi onwe ya ma nọzikwara ebe ya kwesịrị ịnọ. Ọ because na ọ bụ ụzọ nye eme onwe lead, mana ọ bụrụ ihe kwesịrị ewu the supporter. Ịdị afụ football team is a team. Enwere the striker, enwere the midfielder, enwere onye na-agba the attacking midfielder, then nwere the defensive midfielder na-agba 4, enwere the winger 7, right winger, where the left winger 11, where the left full back 3, where the right full back 2, where the central midfielder, central defender 5 and 6 ga na-agbakọ. Ịghọtara ya? Onwe ga na-eje ihu na-echigata azụ as the conductor, where the goalkeeper, where the striker top 9, supporting striker 8. So all those, if you all the coordinated, when you can when I was growing up, I'm a good footballer. I want to 7 winger, I'm one bar. But you're not checking what I gave on. You're not checking what I gave on. It was all the coordinated and handing the weight. So that will all happen. You know, go about the arrowhead. And when you come on, go want you about supporting striker. Mana, if you go to position, no one in a 9. Man, if whatever I now worry. But here he was email with the supporting striker 8. Now in a feed the 9. The collector for the midfielders, he lay at on number 9. So to them mother and neighbor that is my point. Because no garros. Only about gabos in Nanya Funonia add a more of man at this position. He may transfer. We can teach any borgano when we get a cello to according to Henine. And until when you battle neighbor, Iano MSL, USL. You know, there people say no, MSL. Thank you.
Still on cultural matters, is it appropriate for someone to marry a close relative?
Yeah, in Igbo spirituality, it's a taboo. Yes, it's a taboo because now, anu area ni bia wajano. Because no nwere ofu mmụọ, o nwere na-abịa n'obodo ọbụla na baa, o nwere ebe a na-akpọ Ishingu. Ishingu Oraifite a village, mana Ishingu they don't marry Ishingu. Ishingu ada Ishingu. They try go there try ya. They try. Now we're about 4 villages make up the entire Magbade clan. See, but there 4 clan, big, make up the whole village, but they don't intermarry. Because na ha nwere ofu arụsị a na-efe a na-akpọ ya Ogwugwu Ishingu. So how under like one blood, one lineage, one placenta. They try that, they choosing their try. How many on water? You know that? Maki bute no take ni mi no no. Then I be no village in the somewhere village na anu nwa. Based on na etu ha si bia. Ka mmadụ ga ka nwere onwe mmadụ. Agwara ngị na mwa si no obe a na-akpọ Eze-Ana Oraifite. N'ime Eze-Ana ya nwere ndị a na-akpọ ndị ezu, ebe ndị nri na-ezu ike, ndị ezumike nri. Mgbe mbụ ihe a na-akpọ ha bụ ndị ebe ndị nshi, ezumenshi. That is ebe ndị nshi na-abịa ezu ike. Then, onye akpatara na my own clan na that Eze-Ana na ogbe Eze-Ana ya nwa dịrị onwe ya iche. Ịghọtara ya? Because na anyị nwa na that very village anwa so anyị nwa na-echi Eze-Ana because we have link with nri ntiọdị and onye nwa ka anyị bịa anyị nwere arụsị nke anyị iche why the rest of the other villages nwere nke ha iche. Those people are nwere nke ha iche, they can marry. Mana anyị niile maybe amara m ka ndị nna anyị ha si wee mee mgbe gboo anyị na-ekwekọrịta bụrụ ofu one village ma n'ime one village anwa anyị nwere iche like onye village anyị ga-anụ from them they can marry from us. Enwego ndị nụ kasịrị na because na arụsị anyị dị iche arụsị ha nwere iche mana one village nchi ọ dị. Ihe kpatara ya bụ na our own lineage dị iche na nke ha. Ọ bụrụ the same placenta, ọ bụrụ the same distance. For that reason, or they to and the body. So, ihe kpatara ya bụ mma akwụwara ihe kpatara na ịma anụ nwanne gị ofu ọbara ya akwụwagoro gị gwa gị ihe kpatara ya na ọgụ a ma ekwenụ. Onwere mgbe ọ ga-abụ gị na nwanne gị na-efe ofu mmụọ si n'ofu placenta si n'ofu lineage ọ ma ekwenụ ma ọ bụrụ na enwe ka esi mejọ nwanne gị ọ na-akpọ mmụọ be nne ya ofu mmụọ akụ na-akpọ ọ blood gị. Onye akpatara na mmadụ adịghị ejiwu inwe ka ihe esi je gbaa arụsị na nwanne gị mejọrọ gị ka arụsị bịa gbuo nwanne gị onye ekwegbu ya maka na nwanne gị ahụ bloodline gị na ya wufu. Onye akpatara na ị nwere ike ịfụ kịta ya senior brother ma ọ ya junior brother ọ na-eje ka o jee tụọ ọgụ na arụsị ahụ ekweji ụdị ozi ahụ because na gịnị ya blood line mmadụ ara eri onwe ya mana ọ bụrụ onye ilo ịghọtara ya ọ bụrụ onye ilo kwe nụọ so blood gị o blood gị mmadụ ara eri ibe however o nwere agbụrụ dị iche iche nwere ike ụfọdụ wee kesị m na ndị India na-eme ma ọ bụ na ndị Hausa na-eme all because of etu ha si wee build their own and nkwekọrịta ha kwekọrịrị and ịma na some of this lineage nwere ka ha si wee dịrị ọ bụrụ anya ka m jere ije ka nkọwazie dọkịta mana na onwe ka ha si wee dịrị ya fọ ha nwere ike imie based on nkwekọrịta ha kwekọrịta wute mma mmadụ n'ala Igbo ọ ya tabu ka ọ bụ ya not permitted to idine nwanne gị ma ọ bụ ịnụ nwanne gị anụ ya not permitted ọ bụrụ na ime ya nwere severe consequence ya ha ga-akwụ alụ o nwere ike mgbe ọ ga-enyebe nsogbu ọ eziokwu ụfọdụ nwere ike mee ya na nzuzo mana ana m achọ ịgwa gị na ọ na-agba agbacha egwu ọ na-anụ ugwu o nwere mgbe ọ na-ebido nyebe nsogbu les na-achọpụta anya bụ arụ wee jekpụọ ọnya bụ arụ maka na ọ bụrụ ihe ndị Gboo gudoro ndị Gboo ha gudoro na nwanne ga-anụ nwanne ya ọnya ihe batara so ọ bụ alụ ị ga-avoid ya like leprosy is not permitted onye ọna na-eme ya ma a na ya na-eme alụ maka ọ mmadụ iri onwe ya.
Let's talk about health. What plans do you have to improve people's well-being through the use of natural medicine?
Thank you for that question. That question has always been my dream. But that dream, day before yesterday, was rekindled by the vision I had. Also, that vision, and for me, I have already decided to hit the ground running by ensuring that that the vision I will achieve times with that number now. Nwere onye ọbụla ndị na-aya agbụrụ ọbụla na-aya Afrịka na-aya enwere solution a ga-eji gwu ya na Afrịka. Ngwakwa gị na ihe ọbụla onye ọbụla anyị na-ayọ na nwere mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa ihe a ga-eji wee gwu ya na be anyị. Gwakwa gị nke ọzọ ọbụla na onye ọbụla a na-aya na Afrịka solution ya dị. Gwakwa gị na enwere so many things na-ebute ọya, lifestyle, what we eat, what we ought to do and what we do not do. All those things we ihe na-eso ebute nsogbu. And ọ na-ewute m na ọtụtụ ndị Igbo na-adazi n'otu ọrịa dị iche iche. Then enwerekwadi solution. Ụfọdụ ga-asịkwa na ọgwụ oyibo na ọgwụ Igbo na problem enwere na enwere dosage because na enwere fortified people bal into it with science, a little bit science, in order to make sure that everything is in moderation. Now, enwere m Ugochi Tubelu nwere foundation. Our dream is to set up a nature's hospital. In this nature's hospital will be of mixture of science and the herbal. In the sense that what we are trying to build is to build a nature's hospital. Yes, nature's hospital. This nature's hospital will ebe a ga-enwe scientific equipment like to run for lab, to do the analysis, to check the dosage in order to balance it. Because most people are saying all good but are all off now, but the problem is na amount of dosage. All those things is what we want to eliminate. So our vision now is we are making effort to build a nature hospital. Nature hospital ga-abụ ebe a ga-enwe a ga-revive usoro ndị Igbo ji ebi ndụ na usoro ndị Igbo ji agwọ ọrịa. Then match it up with modern technology and the arrangement. Ihe niile wee dị mma because also na health system of Igbo spirituality ka ebe nwebụrụ harmonize and upgrade it in order to suit the modern day reality. So what we are trying to do is to build a structure, then have the medical professionals guided by natural gift with organic medications, herbs and everything. Because one thing about these English medicines is that most of them have this preservatives that are so harmful to the body system. And believe in me, most of those orthodox medicine don't actually have the total cure of all illness. So what they normally do is called maintenance. But I can tell you, detect every sickness on time, correct them by using the right medication, lifestyle. You will see that the body has the ability with the right nutrients and vitamins. The body has the capacity to fight sickness on its own. So our intention is to build this nature hospital. So we are looking at in couple of months now. Our intention is to build nature's hospital. Ọ ga-abụ ebe a ga-anọ na-azụ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ọya n'ụdị dị iche iche. And when time comes, we'll be able to give it publicity and you will all notice it. Thank you.
We are witnessing an increase in various health challenges today. What do you think are the major causes behind this rise?
Yeah, health challenges are on the rise because of so many things are involved, which is not the way our people used to live life. Now people are feeling sick every day because of sedentary lifestyle, lack of adequate exercise, uh, eating junks food. Yes, let your food let your food be your medicine by eating right. Yes, even when we eat some of those things that are good for us, the way we eat them will become a problem to our system. Example, do you know that drinking water is very good for your body, right? But do you know that there is a way you will drink that water instead of become benefit, it become a badness to you, you know? Do you know that if you drink water, rush it so fast, you are hurting yourself. You by thereby missing the benefit, right benefit for that water supposed to give you. So what am I saying in essence is this: make sure that you eat well, healthy food, avoid junks, avoid those harmful chemicals you call drinks. So health wise, our people, and again, always be happy. Do you know that if you are living a life feel of every time you are sad, you are not happy, every time you are in pain, all those things has a way of affecting your happiness. Do you know that whenever you are sad, your body, because you are sad, your mood, you never happy. Every time you are sad, whenever you are sad, because your mood is not palatable, your mood is not good. Your negative mood will create negative chemicals in your body system. And by so doing, you are hurting yourself, you are hurting your organs. So what I'm saying that try as much as possible, no matter whatever you are passing through, to always be happy. You cannot solve problems by mere thinking and becoming sad. Do your best and leave the rest to God. So what I'm saying is that we have lots of sickness here and there, but I can tell you, not living a healthy lifestyle, lack of exercise, lack of being happy, and all of them contributes on what normally brings sadness. Thank you.
Family systems are changing rapidly. Divorce rates are increasing globally. What factors do you believe are contributing to this trend?
Yeah, so many factors are contributed a lot towards that ugly trend because of reasons. 21st century, the way people reason nowadays is very abnormal. The value, family value, family values are fast diminishing. Most people don't think or reason the way they were raised. In the olden days, people whatever they want to do, anything, they will say, no. Our family lineage doesn't behave this way. But nowadays, people careless about their lineage and their agboro. Here, Jimaraha, behaving carelessly. So that is why you will see young ladies of nowadays. Do you know that when we are growing up, for you to be a single mother in your parents' house is shame. But today you will see a grown-up lady talking trash on social media, saying that if you did not see husband, you born. As what? Is it matter of I say, why is it good for you to born? Is for you to look somebody that will take care of you at the old age. Who told you that once you born, that your child will take care of you at old age? Who told you? Who told you that once you born, that they will take care of you at old age? Ọ bụrụ onye zụọ nke ya azụ wee bara uru. Ọ nwatakịrị azụrụ azụ, ọ ya bụ uru. The mindset of let me have so that you take care of onye mụcha ya tọwọrọ ya gota. Azụrụ ya azụ. O nwere home training. Kedu ka ọ ga-esi bara uru? Ọ nke ịzụchala ọ bụrụ na-acha nwoke ọ bụ zụọ nke nwoke ọ bụrụ na ambụrọba. Ebe akọ ya na bara uru. Na ndị ma na-asị na ndị ọtụtụ ịzụ ụmụazị kịta dị very difficult. Talk less of na-ese no nke mụziri as a single mother no papa no mama. Even shame, o nwere some certain things ọ ya bụ ime n'obodo. Agwụ ya ọ na-amara ebe ọ ya bụ nna ya. Ịghọtara ya? So all those things abụrụ ife ya abụ ya asị dị proud. A na-eme ihere nwatakịrị ahụ a zụrụ ime ọ na ndị Igbo na-atụ na-asị na nwatakịrị nwaanyị zụrụ na-ata akwa. Unu bere dị inu before. Because when impact a father role they play in every margin. Because you cannot always have your way. Almost certain things your father say no way, not in this house. So and they disobey, you may water the blessing. Yes. May water the blessing. So aburokita etu ndị mmadụ si be life. Ọ bụrụ na nwatakịrị is badly raised by a single mother where the mother called the shot. Ọ ya ebukata ten ahụ wee bagbedi onye obedi ọsị ka ọ na-akọlụ shot thinking na ome na-eto esi eme ya maka na ọ fụrụ be nne na ọnne ya na-akọlụ shot. Ọ bụrụ na onye adụrụ respectful from be nne akụziri ọrịa ọ bịabeghị onye amụta respect because ọ bụrụ ihe ejizu ya. Ịghọtara ya? Enwere one family mụ na ha dị na mma ha na ọka they are billionaires or billionaire family. So you find out na ụmụazị that family na-adịgido mụcha 20 something years. O nwere nke mmanụ rudi the other time na anụ nwa senator 20 something years still remain a virgin. You know why? These children that is guided hand in the way that in a role na the family it dare not look to nwa the man anya. It dare not. One. Two, nwatakịrị na-eje akwụkwọ nke na-agụ na Nnewi now. Security man will follow you from school to house. He dare not go out without approval. He dare not. Even security man, more get man, or policeman on a gate may allow help without daddy's approval. Had your map daddy's approval on a driver, yes, security man, yes. At least security also got driver, yes. The man no all the approve. Man, no 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 get that. You know, if it is the hand without approval, you will tie a plate number motor. A may approve. Now get married, yabata. Very bad. When they can have house, because the whole family up, they die must know. Or one that the whole family in up, honey in up at the same time. Eh, you can ask now what I can say, maybe. Mana imegonu nke kwesịrị ime nwatakịrị azụ in this environment they are used as maybe another family senator's family ga-abịa they interact something like that. Now ụdị fata nwatakịrị a na-azụ etu a nne ya agwaghị na ihe a na-azụrụ ka ọ bara uru and the family kwa anyị ka anụkwa ya family nna ha ụkwa friend ka agbadakwara bịa n'ụwa ya. So nwatakịrị azụ n'ụdị etu a dịgo used to etu anụkwa ya na family senator o ruo na family senator anwa ịpụ with permission na amarụ gị ahụ na ọchọ ịpụ ọmago na security na driver ga-esi ya. So ọma afụti ya asị na ị na-eke ejie mana jee kpọta nwatakịrị from gota nwere ka nwatakịrị single mother zụrụ na-apụrụ onwe ya mgbe sọrọ ya ije nụta ụdị mmadụ a kpọwata na ụdị royal family treatment ụdị family a ọ ga-asị na a na-eke ejie na ọchọ ịpụsị ka ejefu enye nwaanyị ebe asị ya n'ogo n'enigwe ya until ụbọchị emere gị approve and emeghe approve as somebody will escort you. Ime ya onye si na gota pụta ọ ya asị na a na-eke ejie ọsị what kind of life is this? O nwere ka o reziwe voice ifere ihe na-eme na nke Senator Ned Nwoko na those things are restrict onye ahụ for well-being, knowing fully well that now all high profile family a big target. So gịnị ka ndị ekwu maka ya? Lifestyle so na contribute na problem a na-enwe in families nowadays. However, ọ ga-ekweme a ga-ereduce ihe gbasara ihe a na-enwe problem a na-enwe na families ma ọ bụrụ na ụmụazị bido ngaba nne na nna ha ntị. Because I can tell you as a lady, nobody will love you more than your father and your mother. Nobody. Yes. Nwere onye ya afụ gị n'anya n'ilo karịa nne na nna mụrụ gị. Nobody. Ka ọ nwere onye ọdọ na-ekwu n'ilo nwere ike iwu fake. Thank you ma ọ wee taa gị. Daalụ.
What practical steps do you think society can take to reduce the rate of divorce and strengthen marriages?
Yeah, the practical step is that one, I'm advocating for high moral value, where children will always respect their parents. Why they will stop paying attention to those online influencers. Some of those online influencers that will be telling you who marriage help, what is marriage, who married this and that. If you do, you go to hospital, buy sperm or fertilizer, more this and that. All this. These are aunties that their marriage is failed, have failed. You ask yourself, that auntie that is teaching you that one is in her early 40s. On the road, for the name have single mothers. For the name have when they fail, you go to fail on whatever they put hand. And they are using their large followers platform to deceive the gullible youths. Yes, teaching them what that will never be of great benefit to them. Teaching them how to live a wayward life. They will never teach them how to be successful or how to be busy themselves, how to learn handwork. The importance of you as a young maiden to go and learn fashion designing, salon or whatever, be useful to yourself. They will not. They have large followers. Instead, they will be using it to be teaching all those things, feminism, or you know now, where they will be teaching them how to call men narcissists. At the end of the day, they are deceiving them because you would have asked the person, this person that is teaching you this thing you are following, because the person have millions of followers. What have they achieved in life? Somebody also name with a daughter, or name with a son on the trend. That's one I create a trend. I create what I can do. All the nature agent. I can tell you, I'm looking forward to a society where children will know the importance of obeying their parents, listening to their parents, and will be obedient to their parents. Let marriage, family value be revived. Let good orientation and moral values be revived. And so that people will begin to give families value, or marriage value it should be. If you are going to be married, you must be learn how to be submissive. If you are sure that you are not going to be submissive to your husband, you don't have any business getting married. Because believe in me, if you go with this your mindset of never to be submissive to any man, your marriage will be a disaster. Thank you.
Finally, many women today prefer to be single mothers rather than live under a man's roof. What do you think is driving this trend in modern society?
Yeah, in modern society, it's already going up. But what I can tell you, don't go in that direction because you will cry. Let me tell you why you will see some women advocating for that. They are looking for freedom. Do you know that in this generation, you will see ladies now moving about with dildo. You see those some nowadays you see ladies being lesbo. It's on the rise. A woman that I would advise you take it from me. If you see any woman that have been exposed herself to using dildo, don't marry that person. Quote me. Such a woman can never get satisfied from you. Such a woman have gone so wide. Such a woman that have gone so wide. So what am I saying? Avoid such women. Because what you gain from such relationship or marriage is disaster. So in the world we are living today is this. A lot of people are living in a life where they will be preaching about this thing. They don't want to be on there, man. But let me tell you, anyway, what life you live today will hurt you tomorrow. Let me give you an example. Those Oyibo people you people are emulating, they have people are emulating them. That some of these Oyibos you are emulating most of them are divorcees, and when they divorce, they came out from getting chunk of their husband wealth. Now they will use it to go to Lagos. What is happening in Lagos now? You see where they are coming to do court marriage in Lagos. You will see old mama marry young boy of Africa using her money to get that boy because she understand that old age that she needed a man beside her. Nchod. Now and again, their government because of the lesbianism and homo, people are no longer giving birth the way it should be. So they are lacking manpower. Therefore, now they encourage women to give birth. Once you give birth as a single mother, they will be giving you money for the child upkeep and be paying you. Because the economy is okay, they can be able to do that. But in Nigeria, auntie, anybody that is telling you to emo one uno, they deceive you. Maka na emo one uno, they got to concrete because government is not ready to give you shishi. I mean, you side support. One kind of support in order to make sure na nwa gị school, primary school, ị ga na-apụta n'ịntanetị na-ayọ ndị mmadụ ego, ị ga-ebido na-eme olution work, ị ga na-agba ashawo ka ị nweta ego iji gota nwa milk before you know it atụọkwa another pregnancy. Ị nọ na be nne na nna na-abụchi ụmụazị and before ka ị nwetakwa ego iji wee so bụ a na-atụọkwa the third one. Ọ ịma na ya atụwazi gị ọzọ, ịma na ị ga-enwe ya stomach ga-abụ ebe ị ga na-eme abortion steady and by so doing keeping your life on the line. O nwere ụzọ isi wee chekie ya nwere gen dị na ya. Ọ bụrụ na esi na ị nọrọ di ka ba alụ ji kpọrọ ofu nwa nwanne gị mana ọ bụrụ na o nwere ihe ị na-arụkwa ahụ kpọrọ ofu nwa nwanne gị ma nwa relative ma nwa ikwu ma nwa ibe as a adopted daughter or son. Train nwatakịrị a nwee ike ịzụ from secondary school ndị ọ na-ezuru ya ụgwọ secondary school je mepere ya anya mụọ aka ọrụ ịkwadori ya ọ ga na-afụ ka second mother. Such child nwere ike take care of you at old age even more than guy esi iji afọ onwe m. So mgbe ị na-enye excuses na reason why iji wee chọọ ka ịmụta nwa nke gị oke iwe nwa onye netaghị anya, I can tell you it's not always like that. Some children will not even forgive you when you are, you can't even tell them no onye mpa. Ụkwụ na-eje n'ụlọ ọgwụ na-eje goro spam eje fertilize nwatakịrị toite jụọ onye ọbụ ya ị na-asa aka ụfọdụ ya amawapụghị anya. So onye ahụ ihe na-ekwu so ka anyị kwụsị ụmụ ihe niile anyị na-eji anya emulate ndị ọcha tata nwatakịrị mgbe aka ọrịa ọrụ si ya maka onye nwe nna ya ọnwere nna obere akwa nata n'ụlọ wee si ya na nna ya na iji egota one spam na n'ụlọ ọgwụ ya ịgbanyere ya nwatakịrị nwe ọhụrụ onye mkpụrụ mmiri kpee ekpere na ọ ya atọwu. Daalụ.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep consultation, AFA, you can as well DM him with that same number. If it's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you are hearing our voice, keep listening to our voice. Keep putting it into action. Desist from anything that is abomination. Eze-Ana can hear fast lane. It will not help you. I need to share our messages. You can even as well chat me at your convenient time. mma enyere gị aka wee na-agbaziri gị olu maka na ọ bụrụ sọ onye nwụrụ anwụ ka a na-emezi olu, a na-emezikwa onye dị ndụ olu ka ị na-anụ olu anyị na-eshi ya na meseji na etinyekwaziri anyị na awa administreshọn ka ị na-eme nke ka Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile gozie gị ma gozibido gị oke. Daalụ.